Welcome to this video, guys. If you are not able to download and install Minecraft Launcher from Microsoft Store, let's see the top 5 methods to fix this, and at the end I'll show you a bonus step that will fix this issue even if you cannot use Microsoft Store. Okay, so first press your Windows key and type Microsoft Store, and here right click on this and click on App Settings. Scroll down, here first click on Terminate and then click on Repair and then Reset. So this might fix your issues with Microsoft Store, and then you can go ahead and try to download and install Minecraft Launcher. If your issue is still not fixed, let's see what we can do. The issue might be with temporary storage or storage in general. So what you can do is remove temporary storage so that there is more free space for Microsoft Store to install apps. So press your Windows key and type Storage, and you will see Storage Settings. Click on this. Here you will see temporary files, others, and so on. So when this is done loading, just click on temporary files, and here you'll get the option to delete the temporary files. Okay, so once this is complete, once the scanning is complete, just select whatever temporary files you want to delete and then click on the delete button that will pop up here once this process is complete. Okay, after that, go ahead and try to install Minecraft Launcher again. If your issue is still not fixed, the issue might be with date and time settings. So what you can do is press your Windows key and type date and time, and you will see date and time settings. Click on this, and here make sure that your time zone is correct and set time automatically is also turned on. Finally, click on sync now, and this will sync the time with global servers, and your date and time should be correct. After this is done, go ahead and open your Microsoft Store and try to install Minecraft again. If your issue is not fixed, what you can do is you can search for VPN, click on VPN settings, and make sure that no VPN is connected, because sometimes Microsoft Store does not work properly if a VPN is connected. So make sure the VPNs here are disconnected and they are showing connect button. That means that they are not actually connected. Finally, if your issue is still not fixed, what you can do is open Microsoft Store itself, click on it, and log out from your account and log in again, so that it syncs your account again, and then try to install. If nothing is working for you, one final step is to install Minecraft Launcher from an external website. So go to this website here. This is the official Minecraft website. From here, you can just click on Download Launcher for Windows 11, and your Minecraft Launcher will be downloaded. Once it has been downloaded, just click on Open File and follow the instructions to install your Minecraft Launcher. So this is how you can install Minecraft Launcher if your Microsoft Store is having issues. If the issue still persists, let me know in the comments below.